The new Mini app offers some really useful after-sales services that assist you if your Mini ever needs maintenance or repairs. Inside the Vehicle tab, you'll see displayed control messages from the car or required services. And it'll even send you alerts on those essential services for things like brake pads or vehicle checks via push notifications. And another great feature is the roadside assistance, which makes sure that you'll never be left stranded in the unlikely event of any motoring complications. Imagine you're stuck on the road with a flat tyre. With the roadside assistance function, you'll find a pre-installed phone number that'll connect you directly to the support that you need. And additionally, you can share your geolocation, your vehicle's identification number, and the vehicle status directly with the call centre so they can get an immediate overview of your situation and help you in the best way possible. And on top of that, they can quickly dispatch a recovery vehicle to come and assist you if necessary. It's really comforting to know all that, isn't it? So there, I've given you all the highlights of the new Mini app, but as I'm sure you're already well aware, there's loads more to explore from your new Mini.